Hello guys, welcome to our channel Golden House Real Estate Professional in Pattaya. I'm Amy and today I would like to show you the most luxury condo in Pattaya. And behind me is the construction of Copacabana Coral Reef that is 51 floor and it's very perfect for family to spend a vacation holiday in the Pattaya in Jomtien because it's a relaxed place and quiet place. And over there is the Copacabana in the same company but different project that finished already and near nice Jomtien market and the beach also.
The construction just next to us over there, as you see. Yeah, that go to 18 floor, 19 already. The way get into the building will be here on the left hand side. This one we do swimming pool with wave. This one we calling wave pool. Yeah, also we have beach club here and mini bar here. On the right hand side is a parking area, 2-story parking, separate from inside. Inside we have 5-floor parking. This is 2 floors separate. The special on the rooftop we do for the running track and jogging lane. Yeah, the corner here, basketball court. The building high 55 floor high. The same building but just different zone. Yeah. Another swimming pool will be at the back. We call garden pool. And this is swimming pool on 6th floor with high ceiling here. We have onsen at the corner and swimming pool for the children. The gym will be on 3rd floor, 350 square meter. We have indoor gym and outdoor gym as well. 3 lobby 1, lobby 2, and lobby 3 at the back. The ground floor we have coffee bar, lounge, mini mart, discount, reception. Yeah. Garden. Yeah, 54. We have space for sitting, also meeting room, mini theater, and co-working space. Yeah, this is 51st floor Infinity Edge pool, swimming pool long 45 meter long. Yeah, and other side also have the jacuzzi and mini bar up there. This is A zone, direct to the sea view. This is the we have 4 swimming pool. This is the swimming pool.
Fjord swimming pool.
This is swimming pool for the children and space for sitting, picnic around here. Parking for the visitor outdoor as well. And this part we call D zone. D zone you see Pattaya City. Yeah, Pattaya City. And E zone you see Pattaya City, Pattaya Hill, north side. Yeah.
And now we are at a 1-bedroom example room in a Copacabana Coral Reef. That is standard room because here is no have a studio room, and this is the 32.1 square meters. And here I show you the information of layout room, and this is the garden view room. That is not a sunset, so you don't have to worry about hot weather. And now I'm showing you the kitchen. Here is what you will get is a stove and this, but not the knife or the thing like this. Yes, but and it's not including the washing machine also, but you will get the fridge here and the oven. And this is the shoes box that is built in this room that you will get also. Is many space to keep. And this is the dining area that is have a table for have a food here. The table and chair is including, but the plate and this one is not including, and mirror is not including in the room. And here is a sofa that is including in the room already, and this table also. And the TV very big, yes, of course, including, and the cabinet, TV cabinet is including also because built in already. And let's see the balcony. Balcony is a very big space, and you can put your chair here, but our chair is not including in the room. Yes, many space here. And now we are at our bedroom here. What you will get is the light. The lamp here is very luxury style, and the bed that you will get and the mattress. What you won't get is just only blanket and pillow. And this one is the closet. very much space here. And this, you have enough space to keep your socks and closet. And here is in the silver theme because the old Copacabana is more gold, but here is they make more homey. That's why they make in silver theme. And this is our bathroom that you have a sink here, and the mirror that is a LED lights is very smart mirror. And you have a door connect to your bedroom, and another door is a connect with the kitchen room. And this is the bathroom separate with the toilet, so it's not wet, it's a separate zone, dry zone and wet zone. And the price is start at 4.7 million, and don't worry, you have a foreigner quota in almost every room. Don't be late. Now we are at the one bedroom that is have a big size, which is 71.5 square meters. And later I will show you the two bedroom that is 67 square meters. And this room is a seaside that you can see the sea view. Yes, and I'm show you the room here, very luxury style. Yes, this is the kitchen. Yeah, very big and convenient to do everything because have a stove and storage that you can keep your stuff. And dining area, you got a table and 4 chairs that you can have a party with your friends or your family sometimes. And this is the living area that you will get is a sofa and table and a TV and a cabinet here. And this is the part that I would like to show you so much is you will get your private swimming pool over here. And it's not only normal swimming pool because it's a jacuzzi and you can see the sea view, sunset or the sunrise. And this is the balcony area that is very big, and you can have many space put your chairs, your table, and maybe barbecue party is no problem. And you can see the swimming pool from here, and when you look at the in front of, it's gonna be a sea view, very amazing. And the door is very big that you can see the seaside from your living room. And I'm going to show you the bedroom. And this is our bedroom. This is the same, the one bedroom that I just showed you. You got a luxury lamp and the closet here, and the bathroom that connects with the kitchen that have a 2 door and separate dry zone and wet zone and the LED mirror. And now we are at the 2 bedroom, and this is the 67.6 square meters, and this room is in the seaside, so you can see the sea view. Here is the sea, and this is the room, and this is the room layout. You can see the information here, and I'll show you the what you will get from this room. Firstly is the built-in the shoes box. It's a bigger than 1 bedroom. And next one is the table here, dining areas like 4 chairs for family and for guests. And what you will get is this kitchen. The area is very big to cook, and this one is a built-in storage and the fridge and stove including in this room already. And this is the balcony area, very big, and you can have a table and chairs here, but these chairs and table not including in the room. And you have a big door here that you can see through from your living room into the sea view. And let's see the room. And this is the room in the living area. You have a TV, yes, and this one that in built in already, and sofa is very comfy to sit, and the table also. And now we are here at the guest bedroom. The first bedroom that I'm showing you is the you will get the bed and mattress, and what you won't get is a blanket and pillow, but you will get this luxury lamp also. And the closet, yes, it's a big closet here. Yes, in a open this way, and you get this can keep many stuff here. Yes, and you have your own bathroom that connects with the living area that have two doors. Yeah, the first door is connect with the guest bathroom, and the second door is connect with the kitchen. Yes, and also the separate dry zone and the wet zone. Yeah, and this is the sink, and of course LED mirror. And now we are at the master bedroom, and what you will get is a huge bed here and mattress, and what you won't get is only pillow and blanket, and you will get this luxury lamp also. And I'll show you the closet, the huge closet, and you would like this because it's a many space here and the lights here, very nice. And I'm going to show you your own bathroom. Yeah, it's very big and it's very convenient here, very luxury in every square meters. Yes, this is the bathroom, and it's separate between the dry zone and wet zone. And this is the sink and the LED mirror, very convenient. Okay, and I just finished show you the most luxury condominium in Pattaya. And if you want more information and you want more to ask the question, you can ask me, and we feel free to answer every question that you want to know. And we feel free to show you the room to help you with the best condition and the best price that you will get. And we have the second company, Apartwell, that can take care of you about the rental condominium, and we give you the best condition and the best price also. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Welcome to Golden House.